What is up, guys, and welcome to a new Mad Times video. We are off to Nottingham to go pick up a Nissan Note, and we are driving our new Audi A6. 67 genuine miles on it, 67,000 genuine miles on it, and it drives a beast. I've been to Norfolk and back in it twice, and I've been all over the place in it, and it drives amazing. It's a 2.4 litre V6. It's nothing special, but let's hope it gets to Nottingham and back, because we paid £480 for it. Trust me, I know, crazy deal. It's got a slight few problems, nothing crazy, and if the problems happen, then I'm sure you'll find it in the video. But yeah, Nissan Note, Nottingham, let's go. First, I gotta pick up bloody Ronnie, so we'll see him in just 2 seconds. Where are we, mate? We're at Ronnie's scrapyard, yeah?
Yeah, Ronnie's scrapyard. Debbio's for life, mate.
Are you doing this without me now, is it?
Huh? Yeah, mate, I thought back here, mate. I like these ones with the wonky bonnet boots. Yeah.
I love it, mate. You collecting soil now as well?
Collecting soil, mate. You don't know the amount of people that want to buy second-hand soil.
Does it like get better with age, mate? Worth more money, mate?
Some bootlegging, mate. Bit of moonshine.
I recognise this car, mate.
This is the one that we said we're going to keep in good condition.
Well, hold on. This one had nothing to do with me. I haven't even driven this one ever, mate. No? It's your dad's motor, mate. Yeah, I was thinking, how much would your dad fucking love that car, man?
My dad?
Does he just like BMs?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. This ain't a good start to the journey, is it? And we got a flat tyre, which is one of the problems I said that this Audi has. That and that it jumps in reverse. Drift-ish ready BMW when he gets an MOT on it.
What?
Had a bit of rain a week.
It's a free water supply.
Now I know where we got his car from, mate.
Fucking hell. Look at thirsty.
That's a really good idea, mate. If you're ever stranded in the desert, I know where to call, mate. If I'm ever stranded in the desert, I know where to call, mate. Well, I know what car to take, at least. Listen, mate, it's a 45 grand Audi, mate. I don't appreciate all this on the seats, alright? Right. Nottingham. Here we come.
Nottingham.
Well, McDonald's.
With a packet full of money.
Oh shit, I didn't bring any money.
Didn't you?
No. Have you got enough money for the whole thing?
How much is it?
275.
Ah, fine, perfect, mate.
I'd laugh if that went all the way out there.
Yeah,
and down a drain or something. Right, McDonald's, mate.
27 degrees outside.
Yeah, no aircon. Well, we have aircon, but for some reason.
Someone's got a fucking phobia of
Where are we
aircon.
going? Left? No,
yeah,
straight.
left. Yeah, mate, that left, right there. Oh, the windscreen is filthy.
So we're not using the aircon, and we're not opening the windows for whatever reason. I'm sweating already, I don't know.
Yeah. Now I know what it's like to be a dog in a car park. Yeah.
Not down there, no?
Yeah, mate, go straight down there, mate.
Where are you taking me, mate? We're going to the fucking airport.
We're going to the airport, mate. Flying to McDonald's.
Is that the airport?
There's Starbucks.
Try and take me fucking left.
Left.
Is that what you're on about?
A big fucking golden arches, mate, right there. Yeah, yeah. If you go in that car park over there, and you go into McDonald's, you get a fine. Yeah.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because it's not owned by the same fucking people, apparently. Look.
Do you know that fine would be going so far up their arse? It would be unbelievable. Well, so you're telling me, like, this girl here's obviously got mad on, she's sitting over there.
Yep, should be fine. Because if you go in that car park, you're only allowed to go in Starbucks.
Wow.
According to this fucking... Only that area is Southgate fucking park, apparently.
But is it not the same company?
Huh?
Is it not the same company?
Nah. But again, it shouldn't be like that, innit? Because there should be a gate or something to let you know that these are 2 separate car parks.
Or do you know what they should do?
Stick their fucking tickets up their ass.
Fucking park it company, like, why are they being awful?
Oh mate, it's that shitty company, innit? The parking eye or whatever. Biggest con of a company ever.
It's just a very good hand.
Look what you done to the car, mate. Fucking hell.
Listen, mate, look, that's your side, mate. That was you. I don't go.
This is supposed to be a good quality car. This is expensive. Cost us a whole 400 and something quid.
I want to do a full review on the Audi, mate. Alright? It'll be a separate video. I want to do a full review on it.
Yeah.
Because you can pick up 40 grand? 35, 40 grand this car would have been there?
Something like that, yeah.
It's a basic model, but it has the extras inside.
To be fair, yeah, I think like I reckon this interior's extra.
Yeah.
That fucking steering wheel ain't extra, mate. That's poverty spec,
We're on
mate.
about S-Line, mate.
And I don't know why they gave us fucking blue, mate. Blue and fucking tan interior.
It's a bit of a strange one, isn't it?
Mate, it looks like a fucking Sunseeker from the 80s, mate. And a delaminating fucking...
Look, we're only missing one optional extra.
What would that have been?
I don't know.
Is that the ejecto seater, mate? The turbo bar.
I thought that was the ejector seat programmer.
Ejector seat program. Ah, mate, don't turn no fucking things on, mate. Can you stop getting up our arse, mate? So, we got our McDonald's, a lovely nutritious meal. It came to £6, and then Sean started ordering, mate. He ordered a fucking bottle of water on my card. Who buys a bottle of water from McDonald's?
Mate, who buys a warm fucking Coke, mate? Remember that? Listen, I'm driving a fucking Audi, right? I can afford to fucking spunk the money. Right?
Heads up, people, we're supposed to sell this car, apparently. Sean reckons we're going to sell it. I reckon we're going to sell it in a million bits.
Hold on, mate. No, I've had this car. How long have I been driving it, mate? How long
2 weeks.
Look at this. It's lovely. There's nothing wrong with it, mate. Alright, don't show him the back, just show him the front. There's nothing wrong with the car.
So far, we damaged the bonnet. We noticed
no, you can't put we into situations like that, Ronnie, mate. Alright, you damaged the bonnet.
I may have damaged the bonnet, mate, but someone moved the car before I fucking slammed the boot, alright?
What's the moral of the story, mate? Don't fucking slam the boot. But I haven't damaged it. This is the one car I haven't
The wheels are fucked.
The wheels?
Yeah. He had a leaky fucking screen wash bottle. Timing belt can snap at any moment.
Yeah.
Jumps into gear.
Yeah.
What else is wrong with it?
Flat tire.
Yeah. We don't even know if it has any oil in it. And it's concerning because I don't care if it's got oil in it, but the fact that he cares that there's oil in it, like, I'm a bit worried. We don't normally care about oil, do we? It's just like, oh, it'll be fine.
The thing is, I know I want to sell this one, so I kind of do care about it all, do you know what I mean? Plus, I know the gearbox is fucked.
So what, are we selling the car, mate?
It's not fucked, mate. Hold on, the gearbox is
Don't
not
buy a car off Sean, because he'll tell you the fucking gearbox is lovely, and it won't be lovely. It'll be fucked.
Can you smell that?
No.
Oil. Not even joking. Not even
Leaking.
playing around, mate. And I'm hoping it's not from my
Smells
fucking
like
car.
my fucking dad's BM. Let me get some fucking audio, mate. And we have 38 minutes left. 38 minutes. You know.
You know full well we're hitting a deer soon. Like, this is one of those roads, isn't it?
If we hit it there, at least
then we're scrapping it.
I win the car. I win the raw, mate. We're breaking the car. We're not selling it.
No. This handbrake is so good, man. If you actually yanked on that, we'd be fucked. You want to play around, yeah?
So Sean wants to sell this vehicle, mate.
This is magic, mate.
What's it coming from? This button?
Someone behind you, like, what's he doing?
Pretty confident we're going to be breaking this vehicle.
Are you?
Yeah, I have.
The more we drive it, the more we're going to be breaking it. Like, if I sold it tomorrow, then it's sold, isn't it? But the more we drive it to fucking...
And then we'll get a complaint, and then we'll need to give them a refund. And then...
Are you mad? I ain't giving nobody a refund, mate. If I sell a fucking car, that's it, mate. They've sold a shame, mate, right?
I don't know, yeah.
Shit, I'm completely wrong right now.
Oh, don't fuck up, because this guy's got you on camera.
Look at that, mate.
He's probably shaking his head right now, thinking, what a cunt. He's fucking hell, not even in the right lane.
L4 DGA,
L4 DGA, mate.
You're like beeping it. You know like you see in the dash cam videos where the something does wrong and they're like shouting, "Oh, fuck, no, no." Here it is. The what? The wheel? Yeah. Just go for it, mate. Floor it.
I mean, I was thinking 6 American, just switch the wheels over. Fucking hate you.
What do you mean switch the wheels over?
Well, it's only got a puncture, isn't it? I don't think it's blown out. I mean, just put air in.
But how bad is the puncture? Exactly. The puncture could be well bad.
Oh, I don't know, mate. Let's find out. Mate, you want the fucking 6 shots at this angle?
Is the boot open?
Huh?
The boot's open. Or is
Don't worry about it, mate. Huh?
Has it had a knock or is the boot open?
Oh, no, boot's open.
That's what I say.
Alright. Anyway, the lovely note. Please give it a drive. You'll feel the smoothness of this engine. There we go.
What, just do what?
Just go in first and let off. Go
so
over
I'm
there.
just using clutch right now?
Yeah, just use clutch.
So all good.
Smooth. And now just let off the clutch completely and watch the thing do its own thing.
But it's all good so far. Mate, I want to do a wheel spin.
I got that at 70 miles an hour the whole way home, mate.
Yeah, what's it like in a second? Oh god!
It does the same thing, mate. It picks up. It's a little bit smoother though.
That's fucking hilarious.
Oh, mate. But there's no, mate, you're on the brakes and then the thing just cuts out. Like,
Jesus.
because I'm doing 2 things. I'm basically doing a burnout, mate. I'm just like...
Yeah, I was going to say, I'm braking then, it's revving up, it confuses the fuck out of you, isn't it? Whoa. Chill.
This thing's going to overheat on the way home.
Straight to the fucking... Yeah, brakes are gone, clutch is gone, mate, we're fine. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to maybe pull over and let it cool down.
Yeah, maybe.
Jesus. Because here at Ronnie Roberts, we don't like to buy good motors. We always like to buy a motor with something wrong with it. I think I might find your problem there.
No,
do that.
What we need is that tape, you know, that slap it, fix it tape, mate. I don't know what it's called.
Gorilla tape.
You know that tape that they fucking, like, they advertise on a cup
Yeah.
of fucking water,
Well, watch it, Audi. Yeah, I know exactly the one you're on about, mate. Because you look at it and you go, that's bullshit.
Yeah. Right.
But if you want to sponsor us, tape, then we'll have loads of tape.
We'll happily tell you it's fucking amazing.
Yeah, we love tape. Can't get enough of it. Ronnie with his mate. No! Right, Ronnie. Part 1 of selling car parts. We need car panels intact.
Do we? Right, let me show you how we do this, man.
And you actually hit the bumper as well. Oh my god.
Get out. Lift it.
This is exactly why I said I'd never want a 125 fucking.
If we blow that, if that spare wheel blows out, we're actually fucked.
Listen, mate.
Speed rate, you know.
It's 50 mile an hour, isn't it?
Yeah, is it?
It's 80k.
The thing is, have you seen the tyre? Oh,
Be fine, mate. Don't blow it out because it's worth 35 quid.
shit. I know, I told you.
Man. Honestly, I had about 5, literally nowhere. I had 5 logbooks come through the post at the same time.
Really?
Swear to God,
the
mate.
other day, mate, I had another paper, like a bit of another letter, and normally people will go, "Oh, look, I got my logbook," and I'm like, "Oh, look, no logbook." It's like I receive logbooks like people receive their fucking statement.
Yeah, literally, mate. Oh, mate, hold on a minute, hold on. I need to relive my fucking. I needed to relive this, mate.
We need a fucking
Favourite chicken,
mate. Oh, nah.
Oh, I'm not having it, mate. Oh, to be fair, none of them are sold anyway, so it looks like I'll be eating and you won't be, mate.
Oh, look, mate, fucking broke now, mate. I got myself some tongs for the barbecue, mate.
Oh, mate, it's such. I like this, man. Get some food on the way home, mate, and just eat in here. While eating.
I ain't got that fucking option, have I?
This is why we need some sponsorship for some gaffer tape, mate. So if you're out there,
Yeah, we could just tape it there, mate. We were just like, here to there.
perfect, mate.
Yeah.
Perfect. This is why we need favourite chicken and gaffer tape sponsorships.
I think we should do a retro mod and put this in one of our other cars.
It would just.
Should we have a little race? We can get out, run, and get back in it.
Say again. Who can what? Say again. But who can what? Get out? Now I've got an auto, mate. I'll be sorted.
Run, get back in it before the wall.
No, because I want these body panels, mate. If we only wanted the engine from this, then yes.
Tell you what, I have to. Fucking better.
What?
I'm gonna see if it makes any difference.
No. What did you unplug? The map?
Yeah.
Fat move out of the way, mate! Oh no! I'm struggling! 50 mile an hour all the way home! Oh mate! I can't drive at 50 mile an hour all the way home, man. He's not even going 50, he's going about 42 mile an hour. Ah! Shit, speed camera. How do people drive this slow? I feel more dangerous driving at 50 mile an hour than I do at bloody 71. Oh man, that is the funniest shit I've ever seen, mate. Right, I'm bored shitless. I'm pretty sure Ronnie's fucking had enough of the note already.
That is, I'll tell you what, I've been on bus seats more comfortable than that fucking driver's seat.
It's a weird position as well.
Jesus,
isn't it?
man, yeah.
It's designed for old people, I think, man. That's it.
Yeah, I feel old driving it, man. Fuck my legs.
But yeah, I'm gonna drive it back. How much fuel do we have in it?
I've been on reserve for about 10 miles. Alright, mate, I get it, mate. You got a fucking loud mic.
Well, it's been on reserve.
Huh?
It's been on reserve.
Yeah, it's been on reserve for 10 miles.
Not just the light, reserve.
The fuel light. There is no reserve, there's just fuel light.
Just fuel light. Fuck. All I can hear is the space saver. Can you hear that? We're getting there, nearly.